PCI DSS requirement 12.10.6 states that the security incident response plan is modified and evolved according to lessons learned and to incorporate industry developments. So what does that mean? In companies that are successful in this area, they will generally have incident response training and tabletop exercises, and they will collect lessons learned from those. They'll also collect lessons learned from actual incidents that they've had to respond to protect their cardholder data environment. So for your organization, you will want to do the same. You'll want to conduct tabletop exercises, take away lessons learned from actual incidents in your environment, and keep up with what's going on in the industry, and that will help you maintain compliance with 12.10.6.